Hello everyone, and today is 15th August. Happy Independence Day, and we are taking a huge risk. We are going for a trip in coronavirus pandemic. So stay along with me. I'll share with you guys my entire journey. If at all it becomes a successful trip, we'll get to know. So stay along with me. So we have hit the road finally, and I would like to welcome you guys back to my channel. And the reason why I didn't vlog for the last few months, the last vlog was in February, where I had gone to Kerala and also to Coimbatore to meet my husband's friend. And after that, the pandemic started, and I also got a new job, and things were not like, we were stuck in the house. You guys know how it was. So I didn't get the motivation to vlog, but today here I am back with full of new energy, and it will be a very different experience. Like you guys know, right? Traveling in the midst of a pandemic. So I'll tell you guys what all precautions we are taking. We have a disinfectant, we have extra masks, as well as lots of sanitizer. And yeah, so it will be a very fun event. Now it's around 6:10 in the morning. I'll quickly pan the camera and show you guys. It's beautiful. The roads are empty.
I'm not empty. I can see vehicles are going.
Yes, I mean roads are not that much crowded like it used to be in Bangalore. Looks like many people are out for a trip.
Cycle.
You can see cycles, bikes are mounted in the car. So thankfully we are not alone, and it feels very nice. A very nice Independence Day environment. Actually, that super bike is going there. I cannot show you because they are too fast. They have mounted Indian flags in their bikes, and they are going for a long trip. Yeah. And we thought we are in the midst of a pandemic. Just look at this, guys. This is Nelamangala toll. And look at the traffic.
Like old Bangalore.
And that is behind us.
Oh my goodness.
Looks like everyone is in the mood of celebrating Independence Day, and people have become suffocated in the last 5 months. Video.
আরে বাহ, আমার আস্তে এমন কাজ করে, তো সুপার স্পিডে কাজ করে।
So clear. And we just now had breakfast from this thela, and this thela was giving puri, rice, and like veg pulao kind of rice, and also idli. So Ryan had veg pulao, my husband had rice, and I had puri. Actually the thing is, we had missed few restaurants on the way, like Kamat, Upachara, and a few other South Indian breakfast restaurants. Okay, so now it's only 2 hours to reach our hotel. So what we did was, we didn't book any hotel, because in these times of pandemic, even though the bookings are open in various websites like Make My Trip, but the hotels might be closed. So thankfully we didn't make any booking, but we had noted down few hotels and their numbers. So we called the first hotel, and they said that, and it was actually Oyo rooms, and they said that the hotel is closed, even though the booking was open yesterday and we were about to make a booking. So that was strange. But luckily, when we called the other 2 hotels, they gave us the rates. They said that rooms are available. We have not yet made the booking. We'll just directly walk in. They didn't put any pressure on us, so it seemed like plenty of rooms are available. And in one hotel, the restaurant is closed. So that's only room service is available. But in the other hotel, restaurant is normal, I believe. So let's see which one we choose finally. I'll quickly give you a view. Today it's very cloudy, dark clouds are hovering around, and yeah, I can see coconut trees around as well.
Little banana.
लोग बनाना क्या बोल रहे हो तो? Coconut tree.
The banana কিন্তু বেরিয়ে আসছে।
Banana কোথায়? And we have come out of the car just to stretch and relax for some time, because still 3 hours journey is there. The hotel is at Sagar, and from there 1 hour it will take to reach Jog Falls. And Ryan, are you enjoying?
No.
You're not?
What is there, white, white?
Those are big fans.
Please. White, white.
So there's one big fan, can you see?
No, that is, I'm not telling that.
No, I was
fan.
just showing them. Okay.
Uh,
So
There, some white, white I can see. There.
that's some person.
It is, it has 4 legs and going
Okay,
like
so Jog Falls is supposed to close at around 4 p.m. So my husband is pretty scared, and so it's just a one-night trip because hey Ryan, and it's just a one-night trip, and it was not at all planned, but somehow my husband wanted to surprise me because tomorrow is my birthday. And I didn't expect it, because I pretty much expected a very normal birthday because it's pandemic, and you know, anyways we eat outside on Sundays, so tomorrow is Sunday, so not much difference, just a cake cutting and that's it. But yeah, I mean, it really feels very nice. As you can see, the weather is awesome, and there's no sunlight. It's slightly cloudy, windy, and perfect Western Ghat monsoon weather with a cranky child, of course. And yeah, so I'll talk to you guys once I reach there.
Yes, এখন ব্লক করতে লেগে গেছে।
Now we are in Shivamoga town, and there you can see the private bus terminal of Shimoga. Yes, and we are now heading out of Shimoga to Sagar, where we have our hotel. Just now we had, there you can see one Hanuman Mandir, so pretty. Yes, so just now we had our lunch. So there were many restaurants nearby, all side by side, and we decided to have meals today. Particularly I was craving a proper South Indian thali for long, and finally that wish came true, and we had in Mayura Veg. You can find it just right nearby to the bus terminal that you saw right now, and you can order meals. It's really very tasty. So let's.
I don't like veg I don't feel tasty veg. But I also don't feel. I don't like this meal, but I like dosa and sambar. Boy, in my school dosa and sambar was there. That's why I like. Sambar was there. That's why, and coconut chutney, like this type chutney was there. That's why I ate it. But I think I cannot eat so much food. My tummy only become fat.
No, he ate sufficient amount. He had one roti, not like fulka roti. It was somewhat like rumali, little smaller than rumali, but bigger than fulka definitely, and it was of plus he had rice on top of that. So yes, and after all he cannot eat more than that. So for us grown-ups, we can eat like much in quantity and then we can stay without food for long. But for kids, it's not like that. They can eat only little bit of food which will fill their tummy, and then after few hours they again need food. So that's okay. And so let's see how our hotel is. We are really excited, scared, mixed emotion, because we don't know. Yes, they mentioned that the restaurant is not open, maybe due to COVID. So we can only order takeaway. And since Ryan is already complaining about non-veg, so we promised him that dinner he can eat non-veg. And we don't know if the hotel, if at all, they can provide non-veg, because it's a just room service.
Mommy, we will be excited. Then why we will be scared? Let me know.
So nobody can understand. If you guys understood his question, please comment down below. And finally we have arrived Hotel Green Embassy.